Good morning, boys and girls. Today, we're going to be talking about the addition of three numbers. This is lesson 3.3, and we're still talking about addition. So when we add three numbers, it's very similar to adding two numbers. I can have the numbers 6 plus 2 plus 3. And when I add three numbers, the first thing I do is I add two numbers. So I could pick these two numbers to add, and I know that 6 and 2, 6, 7, 8 would be 8. And now my problem says 8 plus 3. 8, 9, 10, 11. So 6 plus 2 plus 3 equals 11. Now I can take those same numbers, the 6, the 2, and the 3, and I could change the order that I add them. This time, instead of adding 6 plus 2, I can add the 2 and the 3 together. And my problem would look like 6 plus 5, because 2 plus 3 equals 5. So 6 plus 5 equals 11, and 6 plus 2 plus 3 is still 11. Just like when we add two numbers together, the order that you add them doesn't really matter. In addition, your numbers, you can add the numbers in any order that you want. They don't have to be in a certain order. Let's try three more numbers. So let's say I have the numbers 5 plus 4 plus 2. Okay, so the first thing I do is I decide what two numbers I'm going to add together. I think I'll add the 4 and the 2 together. So I have 4, 5, 6. So now my problem says 5 plus 6, and we just have that. And we know that 5 plus 6 is 11. So 4 plus 5 plus 2 is 11. Now I can again change the two numbers that I add together first. This time I could add the 5 and the 4 together. And 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 2 more would equal 11. So 5 plus 4 plus 2 equals 11. All right, we're going to turn the page and we're going to start our lesson with the build understanding. Let's look at our little story. It says Mrs. Smith uses 6 apples, 3 oranges, and 4 bananas in her fruit salad. Carla wants to know how many pieces of fruit Mrs. Smith uses. So we have our numbers 6, 3, and 4. And you can see they are written here in an equation. 6 plus 3 plus 4 equals. So to represent this, we've used cubes. So here we have our 6 apples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our 3 oranges, 1, 2, 3. And our 4 bananas, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we've done is we put the apples and the oranges together. We put the 6 and the 3 together. So 6 and 3 more would be 9. And then I have the 4 bananas. So 9 plus 4 is my equation. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 9 plus 4 equals 13. Now, is there another way that I can show that? Yes, there is. There's another way. I could take my 6 apples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I could put my 4 bananas with them. Right? I could do it this way. And then I would have left over my 3 oranges. So let's draw that out. Again, I have 6 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to add my 4 bananas to that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have my 3 oranges. 1, 2, 3. So when I look at it again, I have 6 and 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6 and 4 would be 10, plus the 3 oranges. So I have 10 plus 3, 10, 11, 12, 13. So my answer is still 13. It does not matter which numbers I put together. Do I add the 6 and the 3 together first and then 4 more? Or do I do the 6 and the 4 together first and add 3 more? It doesn't really matter. My answer is still going to be the same. Mrs. Smith uses 13 pieces of fruit. So let's turn this over. To step it out, now this portion is not on the computer, but let's look at what they're having us do. It says there are 5 black pens, 2 red pens, and 4 blue pens on the desk. How many pens are on the desk? So our numbers are 5, 2, and 4. And we have the equation 5 plus 2 plus 4. So it says group the 2 add-ins you will add first. So here's my 5, here's my 2, and here's my 4. So if I group these 2 numbers together, I have 5, 6, 7, plus 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 and 4 would be 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now another way I could do it, maybe I want to group the 2 and the 4 together. So this time I have the number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I put together 4 and the 2, which is 6. And 5 plus 6 is 11. So 5 plus 2 plus 4 equals 11. There are 11 pens on the desk. Again, it doesn't matter the way that you group the numbers. You will still come up with the same answer. All right, let's turn the page. And let's look at the on your own. It says solve, draw to show your thinking. So let's look at our numbers. Zoe sees 4 birds, 5 ducks, and 3 turtles at the lake. How many animals does she see? So we're supposed to draw to show our thinking. So I'm going to draw 4 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to change colors. I have 5 ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, I'm going to change colors. And I have 3 turtles. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I have 4 plus 5 plus 3. Now, I have to start out always by adding 2 of the numbers together. So if I add my 4 and my 5 together, that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I have 9 plus 3. So 9, 10, 11, 12. And there are 12 animals. 12 animals. All right, let's look at the bottom part. It says solve 2 ways. Circle to group the 2 add-ins you will add first. So here's our problem. 2 plus 5 plus 3. So I have to decide which 2 numbers to add together. So I'm going to add these 2 numbers together, the 2 and the 5. So I know that 5 and 2 more, 5, 6, 7 are 7. 5 plus 2 are 7. And now I'm going to add in the 3. So 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 plus 5 plus 3 are 10. Okay, on this side, I have the exact same numbers. I have 2, 5, and 3. This time, I'm going to add the 5 and the 3 together. So I have the 2, and I'm going to write that down. And now I have 5 and 3. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 8, I know, are 10. 8, 9, 10. So 2 plus 5 plus 3 equals 10. At the bottom, it says, I'm in a learning mindset. What do I already know that can help me add 3 numbers? And what we want to know and remember is that when we add, when we are using addition, it does not matter the order of our numbers. We could add these 3 numbers in any order and our answer will not change.